Hello there, Mighties! On today's video, we are going to make beef steak, Bistek in Tagalog, using the Instant Pot. For our beef steak or Bistek recipe, we are going to use a thinly sliced beef. And then we are going to cut it into small pieces about 2 to 3 inches wide. Bistek, from the root word beef steak, is a typical Filipino dish. It's easy to cook and only a few ingredients needed. The key is to marinate it ahead of time to get the flavor stick very well into the meat. So what we are doing here now is prepping for marinating the beef. Of course, with garlic. If you're interested to learn other Filipino recipe, I'd like to invite you and I encourage you to subscribe to our channel. Just look for Maitha's Touch on your YouTube app. And also don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I'll post a new Filipino dish. And to continue, let's add and peppers, about a teaspoon of peppers, soy sauce, about half a cup, and I am putting a little bit of oyster sauce, a tablespoon, and calamansi. I don't have real calamansi, or you could also put lemon. So I'm just gonna be using the calamansi mix, about 2 tablespoons, and then just mix it. I'm also gonna prepare our onion rings. We'll cut it in a thicker side. And just put it on top of our marinated beef. Let's cover it and chill for about 15 to 30 minutes before cooking time. To start, press the saute button. Once it's on, it's starting to warm up. Then you could put on some oil. Once the oil is hot, we could now add the onions. Then set aside your onions once it's half cooked. Set aside the onions when it's half cooked. Then just leave a little bit just for flavor pagka saute mo na tong beef. Unti-unti because you don't want it to be crowded. Saute natin tong ating marinate na beef. Baliktarin ko lang.
What are you cooking for lunch?
Adobo.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. We'll add the juice. And the rest, yung pinag-marinate natin. If you don't have enough liquid, you could add a little bit of water bago natin siya i-pressure cooker. Maybe a dash of salt. Nang cancel sauteing, and we're gonna press pressure cooker. It's in normal and high. You could lower the time. I say maybe just 15 minutes, then it should be good. Once we put the lid on, it would automatically lower the valve that indicates it's on pressure cook mode. After 15 minutes pressure cooking time, we will press this button to depressurize. We cannot open the lid until completely releasing the pressure. To be safer, you could cover it with towel before pressing the button to redirect the flow of the steam away from you. Safety tip, make sure to check which model of the Instant Pot you have and which button to press to release the steam because it might be different from what I am using on my demo. Once the valve pop up, that indicates that we could now open the lid. Ta-da! That looks good. And it's perfectly tenderized. And for our finishing touch, we're gonna add up our onion rings. If you got this far on this video, thank you very much. Will you please hit that like button for me? Until next time, guys, kain na. And I hope you enjoyed this video.